Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free video size reducer or compressor for any Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Proton Video Compressor. Just search this application. As you can see on the first list, Proton Video Compressor by H. Arthur. Just tap on it. Now click on install to install the application. Wait for a few seconds until the installation gets complete. Once the installation is done, click on open. On opening the application for the first time, you'll see this kind of user interface. So click on get start. Now click on allow. Now you can see your videos that are available on your internal or external storage. So now select the video that you want to compress. So you can see the original video size, that is the file size, is 14 MB, and below you can see different options to select. You can see here you can keep as original resolutions, that is without changing resolutions. You can keep the same resolutions and without losing quality also. The first option, you can select the below options also depending upon your needs. So I will keep it as the default settings, that is the original resolution. So let's find out how much it reduces the size of the original file. So below you can see your button compress. Just tap on it. Now here you will get some pop-up messages. Here you will see here, so you can read what it is being said, like compression speed heavily depends upon the durations of the video, so please be patient. So you can click on don't show again if you wish. I will just click OK right now. Now it's compressing, so you need to wait for a second or a minute depending how big your video file size is. So wait for some minutes. So you can see here the compression is completed, as my video is not too big in size. So you can see the original size and the compressed size. You can see it's almost like 80 to 85% compressed. So you can see here from 14 MB now it has been reduced to 3 MB without losing its video quality, and even the resolution will remain the same if you select the default settings. So in this way you can easily reduce the video size of any video files in your Android smartphones. So if you never known about this very useful applications, then download it today. And the good thing is that it's free, and if you face any difficulty in using this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.